Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today.
Chemistry has contributed to making in the following points: development of new groups that contain substances that are specifically the infectious agents, and this makes us get or not slowly. The contribution of the chemical industry being instrumental in many fields, with expect specifically in the fight on health. For example, people enjoy better quality of life thanks. Products made of plastic, sanitary are quickly obsolete, and chemical origins are obsolete.
Hello, I am Ala. We talk about the food chemistry. Food chemistry research is direct towards the experiment investigation and predictive modeling of the kinetic behavior of complex reactions, with emphasis on the cocktail effects of different sugars and amino acids during the molecular brewing. Biochemistry research is concentrated with metabolism, bioactivity, and potential health benefits of flavonoids, properties, and analysis of food allergens, consequence of variable nutritional content of ethnic and regional foods. Our research laboratories provide excellent cell culture and state-of-the-art analytical facilities. Equipment includes the normal and fast high-resolution chromatography. We do arrive the correlate detectors, sophisticated equipment, facilities for protein purification, and ELISA plate readers. Access the food technology laboratory and facilitates the for taste panels, allows the direct incorporation of food processing.
Chemistry and War. The First World War, also known as the Great War, was formed from late July 1940 to November 1980. It pitted the army and industrial might of the Central Powers, notably Germany, against of Britain, France, and other Allied powers. The war relied on the mass production of machine guns, artillery weapons, rifles, and ammunition, as well as on railways and steamships to transport weaponry and supplies to the front. Death and destruction occurred on unimaginable scale. Around the million soldiers, sailors, airmen, medical officers, and nurses died on the battlefield, in the trench, in tunneling operations, in the air at sea, and in the casualty clearing station and military hospital. Millions of civilians also died as a result of the war. The chemicals of war: ice, explosives and propellants, poison gases, gas masks, metals and alloys, military uniforms, war photography, the fight against infection, pain relief, the dual role of chemicals.
Hi, I'm Gabriela. Global warming and greenhouse gases. The Earth is surrounded by an envelope of gases called atmosphere. These layers of gases include gases called greenhouse gases. It is these gases that make living on our planet possible. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Greenhouse gases help regulate the temperature of the Earth. The rays of the sun warm the Earth, and the Earth reflects the radiated as the heat outwards. Greenhouse gases prevent this heat from escaping from the surface of the Earth. Without these gases, the temperature of the air was under variable culture. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Global warming. As greenhouse gases increase into the atmosphere, the earth starts to become warmer. This is called global warming. If you continue to produce many greenhouse gases, the earth will become a much warmer place to live in. This means the water patterns of the earth will change. Summers will be hotter and winters will be shorter. The polar ice caps will start melting and the water in the sea will increase.
The atmosphere that surrounds the Earth is like a greenhouse. These gases help to trap the Earth's heat, keeping it warm. However, think about this. If the greenhouses became too hot, then how can we cool the Earth? There is no way we can open a window or door to let the heat out. This is why the release or emission of greenhouse gases is an important topic for global warming. Making greenhouse gases. Making a greenhouse gases in several ways. These gases are produced with burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Cooling and burning trains also release carbon dioxide. Another greenhouse gas that is considered to be dangerous is chlorofluorocarbons. These gases prevent a lot of heat from escaping. It is because of this the release of these gases is being controlled.
Hey man, what are you doing?
I'm using my spray. Why?
Do you know the consequence of using spray?
No.
The spray affects the ozone layer, the plants, the ground, the animals.
What's with this?
That brings the global warming, causing the melting of ice caps, climate change, and the flood of some lands.
And I don't know that. What we can do to avoid it?
Avoid using sprays, try to use less the cars, and recycling the trash is a big problem that we can resolve.
Oh, okay. The chemistry is one of the most important science because it has a great influence on human life. Chemistry has a reputation for being of complicated and boring science, but for the most part, that reputation is underserved. Fireworks and expressions and based on chemistry. So it's definitely not a boring science. Chemistry explains the world around you.
Chemical science is done when man is devoted to the study of chemical phenomena and is able to give theoretical justification to the fact they observe. That is when joining experimental fact and theory. Through observation and experimentation is possible to avoid conclusions in this chemistry. Is also in step based home materials experimented and reaction.